Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we're testing a dehumidifier bag for your car. Let's see what is inside the box.
Let's go.
So it's from the Ultimate Speed. You can find this in Lidl. And it says that it prevents fog windows. Zoe is trying to open the box.
Zoe is fighting with the box.
So if you open it, you can't
No,
get it back.
no, you can't.
So you have two bags inside. You can buy the one that has one bag, big one, or two. The secret with this is you put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then you let it cool down, and you put it inside your car. So we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see tomorrow if it does what it says it does. The reason it has a bag is to prevent the moisture to go inside, obviously.
Yeah.
So guys, we install the dehumidifying bag inside the car, and we will see the results. They are very exciting results.
So it has been overnight. We left it. And as you can see, there's no moisture on the windows.
On the windows.
Nothing at all.
Yep. So we take this bag. So guys, there is specific instructions for these bags. It says on the box that the bag has to weigh at least 600
Grams.
Before you dry the bag.
Yeah.
To avoid overheat. So let's test first of all if it is over 600 grams.
It's just on the mark.
It's just on the mark.
Lucky for us.
So now we're gonna put it in the microwave, and I'm gonna show you the procedure. Zoe is showing the procedure to you basically.
Yes, I am. Just happy. Should
put it in.
Just put it in the center.
Close the microwave.
And you set the microwave on there.
5 minutes.
And let's go.
You will see that there is lots of mist.
There's loads of mist.
So this is collected from the atmosphere. So what they recommend is to let it cool down for at least 15 minutes, and then if it's more than 600 grams again,
put it back in.
Put it back in for another 5 minutes, and then let it cool down and put it back to your car. So what we found as a trick is to put it on a paper towel, because as you see the microwave is wet.
Yeah, it is.
But let's just check the weight of it.
Yeah, as you can see, talking about wet, you can see some of the moist just came off.
Yep.
Just by putting it on there. Let's wait and see.
Let's see how different. Yeah.
Well, it's lost around.
We lost
3 grams.
Yeah, we lost at least 10 grams. So now it doesn't recommend us to put it again because we're gonna overheat the small silica balls that they are inside here. So we're not gonna put it another time, but you have to put it 2 times inside the microwave. If you leave it in your car for 3-4 days, 5 days, you will see when it stops working, when you start to have misty windows. And one trick, let me turn the camera. So one trick, don't leave this bag on top of your dash.
Oh yeah.
Because it's sliding next, left and right. So when you're driving, just put it
on the passenger seat if you don't have a passenger, or like in the slots in the doors or something. And remember to put it back, because I will admit it, I did drive the car and I had it on the dash and it just decided to move.
Yeah. So the conclusion with these anti-mist bags from Ultimate Speed, I'm gonna tell you the reality. I put this inside the car because of the cold and because of the mist. Every morning you spending 5 minutes to demist your windows, all right? With this, it was a huge improvement. I'm not gonna say it does magic things, but it's way better than not having anything inside the car. And of course, it's reusable. So you buy it once, you just be careful with the weight of it. It has to be at least 600 grams. When it's not filled with mist, it's packaged inside a nylon bag. It's 560
grams dry. That's completely dry from the packet. It's 560 grams.
So don't put it in if it is less than this 600, because you're gonna overheat the...
Yeah, you're just gonna like destroy it basically.
Yeah, you're gonna overheat the silica balls inside and it's gonna just make it damaged. Did it work in your car?
It did work, because my car normally has quite a lot of mist, and like this time of night it always starts getting misty, like the whole thing goes misty. And as you saw on the video, it was clean, it was good, so I approve it.
Yeah, we recommend this Ultimate Speed demist bags. It was a bag of 2 on our package, but you can get the big bag.
Yeah, they have bigger ones. We just bought
if you want to put
2,
it in on a truck, you know, big lorry, or
you just want to last longer in your car, you can always put the bigger one in your car and it will just last, I would say around double time maybe, because it is nearly double the size, so I would think it would last longer, but it would take long to dry, obviously. So
thank you very much for watching. This is Mr. D.
I'm Zoe.
And I hope you learned something new today. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing on the channel. And thank you very much for the shorts that they go so well.
Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.